Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF in PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your web browser and not use the app. And then from there, go to PDFgear.com, and then under PDF Online Tools, we want to go ahead and click on Create a Fillable PDF. Now we've got a couple of different options here, so we can select a PDF file from your files or start with a blank PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a blank PDF here. So basically what we can do from here is drag and drop some features here. So if you want to add in text boxes, we can, and then we can customize these by dragging these out and making them larger like so. We can copy and paste these text boxes too, so if you want to fill them, you can. Now we've also got password. If you want to put in a password, we can go ahead and add that password in. So we've got a value, tooltips. If you double click on it, you can change your appearance of that too, format, your font and your font size, and that's with all these other text boxes too. We can add a radio button if you want, so you can chuck them in there like so. Double click onto it to change the properties. We can add in a drop down, so we can add a drop down and then click onto it as well to change the appearance and options of your drop down. So we can add more drop down by putting in item names, values, and drop down item list. Also we can add in checkboxes, so we can add in checkboxes if you like so, and again you can highly customize those checkboxes.